Same.
Okay, well, what does it?
Yeah. This side has a lock nut. This side has a lock.
See, that's why this one here has got a washer to go on top.
This one has no lock
and
nut.
and a regular nut.
This one has no lock nut. It's like some loose. You see those things? That's what happened in Volcon here.
I don't know where the piece is for there. There's a rod. Yes, it was a little cylinder, but it's been broken for a long time.
Must be a rod. Door, so the door can stay open, not to hit it. Happens too fast. It's just short. Look at it. So I need at least 3 inches taller than my fingers. It's the middle of this, so that's the middle right there.
Got to be cylinder.
Yeah. We need my Bobcat this morning, but it won't start this morning. I put a sticker on it yesterday, so fired it right out. This Bobcat is 12 years old, so. I'm going to message.
I gotta go in and get.
Sounds good.
Huh?
Sounds good.
Okay.
So, my grandpa he's been doing it for a long time. It's just my turn my grandpa's been doing it for a long time. Take over and then do that. And that's why I have you guys for the YouTube channel and stuff. Our main door. In 2022, that's when I start my YouTube channel. Subscribe, leave a comment down below. So I like that, I appreciate that. Have you guys see what you think. That's our smaller bulkhead for between the houses. I bought it, so it's like I'm kind of blades like right in the middle of the tool blades. So next year, you can get to us. GC 2012, and there's a 2011. Another one is a 2023, 2024. So, anyways, that's all the equipment we have, and I have trucks.
Well, make me expose.
It's not sucking at all. I know what happened.
No?
It was plugged on here and I fixed it.
Oh.
Screwdriver. I go get an adapter. Mount this thing on a wall like this.
Yeah.
That's why I need a third. I need a third people to run this camera.
Yeah.
I don't go too close. Bubba,
What's that?
you know what I need for this? I need a third people. This battery's no.
Get rid of it. We need an extra light.
Oh, that's my light.
We got another one down there too.
Oh yeah. Ten's not metal at all.
And then you can just kind of level it and screw it. My ball is good. Just put one there.
I don't have the right size, that's why.
Okay.
There you go.
You want me to hold it, then you put the other screw in? Move around. Screw catcher. Let's move it.
Yeah. This ship ain't floating away. This now?
What's that?
Yeah. Clean snow tomorrow, maybe on Thursday, maybe tomorrow night, maybe I gotta. If it's gonna snow all night on Wednesday. And the next one. Adios. Hey. And then I'll see you guys either Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, so I'll see you. Adios.